Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open an AIB bank account in Ireland. First, download the AIB mobile app on your phone, open the app, and tap Become an AIB customer. Follow the on-screen steps. You'll need to fill in your details and complete a short video call to verify your identity. If you prefer, you can also open an account in person by booking an appointment at your nearest AIB branch. Just make sure to bring proof of ID and proof of address with you. And that's it. Once your application is approved, your new AIB account will be ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.